sorry about that. My computer decided that I used up all the video space on it, so I had to delete some things. Okay, so here we're again calculating for excess. Okay, so first step is to get our moles of lead to nitrate. Then we go, instead of up here, moles to our product, we need to figure out moles of NaOH. So what's our ratio of moles of NaOH to PbNO3 That's 1 to 2. So I've got 1 mole of PbNO3 and 2 moles of NaOH. 2 moles of NaOH, that's where we're at right now. And then we have one more step because we want to know grams. We want to know how many grams of those 45 grams up here do we actually need. So then I take the mass of NaOH and 1 mole of NaOH, so that's a mass of 23 plus 16 plus 1. So that gives us a mass of 40 grams, which we kind of had up there, close enough, 40 grams of NaOH. And then we solve through to get our excess. So when we figure out how much excess we have, we take our 133.484, we divide by 331.2, we then multiply by 2 because 2 is on top up here, and then multiply by 40 to get 32.242. So that is how much we actually need. We need 32.242 grams of NaOH for this reaction, but we have 45. Okay, so all I do to figure out excess is I take my 45.010 grams and I subtract my 32.242 grams, and that will give me my excess. So I have an excess of 12.768 grams of NaOH. So that's my answer right there for C. So that's part C. Okay, answer for C. So how much do I have left over? I have 12.768 grams that are not reacting because they don't. There's no other reactant for them to react with. They're just left over. So the last step, last part is part D, 1D. Okay, so 1D, let's look back at our problem. Let's go back to it. 1D says if the actual yield is 80.02 grams, what was the percent yield? So when they give me the actual goes on top of my equation. So I'm going to get the 80.02. Sorry, we're down here, 80.02, and that goes on top of the actual produced amount, which we calculated earlier, is going to end up being 97.2152 grams. Right? That's how much we can produce because this is my limiting, and that's how much my limiting allows me to produce.